Drug traffickers in Manipur want ex-Chief Minister Biren gone because of his massive operations and crackdowns on illegal drug trade in the state. Chennai-based renowned social, economic and political observer and strategist Krishna in a charged post on X, stated that Manipur state government carried out relentless crackdown on drug trafficking, resulting in a staggering total seizure of drugs worth 1,576 crore rupees. Murugan listed out a series of drug busts carried out under ex-Chief Minister Biren since his first term in office. He highlighted a series of high-profile crackdown between the years 2018 to 2023, which began with a 40 crore rupees haul in June 2018 and was followed by a 5.78 crore rupee seizure in January 2019. Further significant busts included 100 crore rupees in June 2019, 400 crore rupees in August 2019, and 50 crore rupees in November 2019. The momentum continued into 2020 with 3.3 crore rupees seized in November and 165 crore rupees in December. In 2021, the state recorded a 14 crore rupees haul in February, a 90 crore rupees seizure in September, and a massive 508 crore rupees bust in December. The operations remained consistent through 2022 with 31 crore rupees in May, 2.76 crore rupees in June, and 82 crore rupees in August. Most recently, the government recorded seizures of 2.7 crore rupees and 25 crore rupees in February 2023, followed by a 56.5 crore rupees haul in March 2023. Murugan further emphasized that by cutting the supply chain of the infamous Golden Triangle, Biren has become a big problem for drug traffickers and want him removed. Moreover, the political opposition is also seeking his exit due to his significant crackdown of the regional drug trade.